As soon as you step inside this massive factory in Vietnam, the first thing that catches your eye is the enormous piles of banana trees stacked everywhere. From a distance, many people might think these are discarded or rotten trees, but the reality is completely different. These banana trees are actually the factory's most valuable raw material. Normally, we believe that once bananas are harvested, the banana tree has no further use. In many rural areas, the trees are simply thrown away or left to rot after harvesting. But in these modern factories, those same banana trees have been transformed into a $1 million resource. When bananas are harvested, the tree is cut down, but it is never wasted. Right after the bananas are collected, the trees are cut into specific sizes. Then they are quickly transported to the factory. This step is extremely important because once the tree is cut, the inner layers begin to deteriorate if left for too long. In most cases, the banana trees are delivered to the factory within 24 hours. In many regions, factories have direct agreements with farmers. As a result, farmers are able to earn extra income not only by selling bananas, but also by selling the banana trees themselves. After arriving at the factory, the banana trees are first cleaned thoroughly. Mud, dirt, dry leaves, and unnecessary outer layers are removed. Then the trees are cut in a way that allows them to easily enter the machines. Although the process may look simple from the outside, even a small mistake can damage the entire tree. That is why this work is usually handled by trained workers. Next, the banana trees are fed one by one into large modern machines. Banana trees are naturally made of layered structures, and inside each layer are fine fibers. Using special blades and rollers, the machines slowly separate those layers apart. Gradually, the fibers are extracted from inside the tree. A large amount of water is used throughout the process to keep the fibers soft and prevent them from tearing. At this stage, the extracted fibers look a lot like wet hair. However, they are still in a raw condition. If they are not processed quickly, the fibers can spoil within just a few hours. That is why the fibers are immediately sorted based on quality. Thick, medium, and ultra-fine fibers are separated for different purposes. After that, the fibers are washed inside large water tanks to remove plant sap, sticky substances, and dirt completely. This stage is extremely important because improper cleaning can create problems later during yarn production. After washing, the fibers are lightly pressed to remove excess water. Then comes the drying stage. Many factories still use natural sunlight to dry the fibers. The fibers are hung on long racks in open spaces where sunlight and airflow slowly dry them out. On the other hand, some modern factories use temperature-controlled drying machines. This method takes less time and ensures consistent quality across all fibers. Once dried, the fibers become much lighter, smoother, and stronger. They are then inspected once again for quality. Fibers that are broken, overly stiff, or uneven are separated and discarded. The high-quality fibers are then rolled up and sent to spinning machines. There, the fibers are twisted into strong yarn. Although this yarn looks similar to jute thread, it is lighter and often more durable. Various useful products are made from this yarn. One of the most common products is carpets. Carpets made from banana fiber are highly durable and long-lasting. Because they are eco-friendly, their demand in the international market is growing rapidly. In addition, strong ropes are also produced from banana fiber, which are used in agriculture, packaging, and many other industries. Some factories even produce special types of paper from banana fibers. This paper is used for notebooks, cards, packaging, and decorative items. Compared to ordinary paper, this banana fiber paper is more durable and cheaper to produce. The most surprising part is that even after the fibers are extracted, the remaining parts of the banana tree are not wasted. Those leftovers are used to produce organic fertilizer. On one side of the factory, large composting units process the waste into fertilizer. Later, the fertilizer is sold to farmers and used in nearby agricultural fields. Overall, this banana tree processing factory is not just an industrial facility, it is a complete economic ecosystem. A banana tree that was once considered useless waste has now become a major source of income for farmers, workers, and the entire industry.